'cause I'm a fool for your love.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been gone for almost 2 months. I know it's crazy, but this whole coronavirus and quarantine it's just crazy. Honestly, I don't have an excuse for not making videos because now I have all the time in the world. But yeah, I was just feeling under the weather. Didn't feel like doing anything, honestly. I'm really happy to be back. And yeah, today we're gonna be doing an Aliexpress haul. I actually got this like, I want to say like a month or 2 months before the outbreak happened, so everything that I have is like good, so no worries. But yeah, I just wanted to share some of the things that I found on Aliexpress. So if you're new, hi, my name is Andrea. Welcome to my channel. If you like my content, then subscribe, give me a like, share. So now let's get on with the video. Honestly, I even feel weird doing my intro. Like, I don't even know what to say anymore. Okay, so first we're gonna start. Actually, this is like a beauty type of Aliexpress haul because I have a lot of like beauty stuff. So first things, of course, you guys already know. If you are a returning subscriber and have seen and have watched my Aliexpress videos before, you guys know the Aliexpress eyelashes are like my holy grail. I love them so much. So I got the ones that I usually always get, which come in the pink sparkly packaging. So this so I got them in different styles. So okay, so I got one of each. Okay, so this one of course is E11. This is like the best style ever. I love it. This is my favorite. Then we have the style E6, so pretty. Then we have E12, E19, then we have E1 and E2. So that's how they look. I'm super excited. I just love eyelashes, you guys, especially from Aliexpress because they're so cheap. And then I also purchased some from a different seller, and they actually look super pretty. So these are, they don't have a style, they don't have a number on them, but you guys know that I'm gonna have all the links on the description box below. But they're super fluffy. I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. Let me see. But they're super fluffy. They look amazing. So I'm excited to try these. So these exact ones sell out like really quickly, so you have to be like checking like every day to see if they restock them or not, because they sell out like crazy. So those are the pair of eyelashes that I have. And then I have 3 headbands, which the first one is the one that I have on right now. It's just pink with some pearls, and I got the same one in black because I've seen them all over internet, so I wanted one for myself, and I got in 2 colors. And then I also got this one that has like also pearls and like rhinestones, but this one is a little more chunkier. I don't know if you guys can tell. I don't know, but it looks like a crown to me. But I don't know, it's pretty and pink, so yeah. Okay, so the next thing that I got is blotting sheets, oil absorbing paper, or blotting sheets. So I guess they're rose scented. I don't really know. I don't know, I just got this. It's super random, but I don't know, it was like $1. I haven't tried them out yet, but I mean, they're just like blotting sheets. And then I got 2 eyelash tools. So this one is just an eyelash curler, but this one, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it has some like a little comb right here for your eyelashes. So when you curl them, they get separated. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I don't know, it's just pink and it has a little cute heart. It's cute. And then I got this one, which I've seen everywhere as well, and this one is for your eyelashes. When you put on your eyelashes, you kind of like press them on, like you kind of press them together with your natural lashes with this. It's like a little eyelash curler, but for your fake eyelashes. And yeah, because I usually do it with tweezers, but I've seen a lot of girls use these ones, so I decided to try it out. Then I also got a little brush. This one, let me take it out. This one reminds me of I think this is a NARS brush dupe, I believe, but I think the one from NARS is black if I'm not mistaken, but I think it's like a dupe for that. But it's a little bronzer brush. I don't know, it looked interesting, and they did have the black one, but I wanted the white one because it looked cool. But yeah, this is how it looks. You guys, can you guys tell that I forgot how to be a YouTuber? Like, I don't feel like myself anymore. So I'm sorry for being so awkward, but I promise I'll get back on my grind. I also got another brush, and this one is like a super tiny little brush. And this one I got it because sometimes when I'm doing eye looks, I want to do like detailing or like little drawings on my eyes, and I never had like a super small tiny brush. So I'm happy to have this one. It looks good, it looks promising, so I'm excited for that. Also, I got a little beauty blender holder. I was looking for one because usually when I'm traveling, I don't have anything or anywhere to put my beauty blender, and I don't want it to be in the same little bag as my makeup, you know, because it gets hold of bacteria and everything. So I wanted something where I could store it and take it with me. And I like this one because when your beauty blender is wet, of course, when you finish using it and it's wet, this little case has little holes, so air gets inside the little container, so it doesn't get moldy or anything, your beauty blender. So that's pretty cool. And also it has these little ridges on the bottom so you can clean it. I think that's so cool, so inexpensive, and a lifesaver. And the last thing that I have for you guys, I'm actually really excited for this. It's a mini ring light. I was looking for a mini ring light for the longest time because here where I do my makeup, sometimes I want to do like my makeup tutorials, and I have the big ring light, but it's so hard to work with it and doing my makeup. So usually I have to be like here and have all my makeup on here, but sometimes, you know, I just want to like be on this side and have like everything in front of me. So I was looking for one and I found one on Aliexpress. Super inexpensive, and it actually works super great. It's one of those USB ends, and then it has settings. So this is where you turn it on and off, and then you have this so you can make it brighter. And then it has like different lightings, like it has the natural lighting, it has a blue light and an orange light, which I don't know why, but yeah, it has that. And it comes in a little tripod, which it's so cool. And they do have different sizes. I think they have a small one, and then they have a little bigger one that has a phone stand on it, but I just got this one and I'm super excited. I haven't used it for a video yet, but I'm so excited. But yeah, that was pretty much it. I know it wasn't a lot, but I still wanted to share some of my beauty tools that I found on Aliexpress, because Aliexpress is a gem. You can find some really cool and super cheap stuff in there. Like everything that I have is good quality. It's amazing. I love it. You guys know my eyelashes that I always wear are from Aliexpress. Holy girl, I love them. Super affordable. And oh yeah guys, so I finally gave in with the TikTok trend. I got a TikTok which I'll leave right here so you guys can go follow me. It's mainly in Spanish, so if you speak Spanish, go follow me. I have some like funny videos and some like makeup videos as well. But yeah, I got a TikTok now. And yeah guys, I'll probably do another video. I want to do a makeup haul because I do have some makeup that I got before this outbreak happened. So I do have some makeup that I want to share with you guys that I haven't used because I wanted to do a video so bad. So I'm finally gonna do it. I'm gonna be sharing it with you guys. And yeah guys, I missed you guys so much. You guys have no idea how much I missed you guys, and I'm so happy to be back on YouTube. So we're here to stay. And yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.